and welcome everyone to another EasyWay video where I'm going to teach you how you can change your Gmail email address. So you have to press the icon of your profile picture, and then you have to press manage your account and wait a few seconds to the screen appear. Then you go to personal info, and here you have to press your email here. Okay, so once you're here, you can see a lot of options, but we are interested on alternate emails, so we can add a new email to log in our account when we get logged out or etc. So we press add an alternate email, we wait a few seconds, and then we have to add an alternate email. So for example, easyway@gmail.com, you add it, and then you will be able to log into your account with that new email. So if this video was useful for you, please subscribe, comment, share, like, press the bell in the subscription button, and see you in another video. Remember to watch our tutorials, that we have a lot of them. Goodbye.